Welcome back mga karibin natin dito po sa ating munting channel Pinas News Review. At eto nga, kapapasok lang Kamara, nagkudita na. Pirmado ng Pangulo Abante at Romualdez tanggal sa posisyon. Karma, yan po ang ating alamin. Mula po rito sa channel ni Banat Kapanig TV. Yan mga karibin natin, nasa description po ang full video link ng balitang ito. Subscribe na po kayo kay Banat Kapanig TV. At kung bago ka pa lang at di pa po nakapag-subscribe sa ating munting channel, please don't forget to subscribe. At i-click na rin po ang bell notification para updated ka po sa lahat ng ina-uploads nating reaction video. At ito na nga mga karibin natin, sama-sama at sabay-sabay po natin pakinggan, panoorin at bigyan ng reaksyon ang balitang ito. Ito na po.
Palagay ko naalala mo pa yan, Madam Batoy, because wala pang isang taon yan. Hindi naman pwedeng makalimutan mo na wala pang isang taon. Nakalimutan mo na ilang beses kayong dalawa ni... Andi dito yung kalbo? Dito ba yan? Eric? O, yung kayong dalawa. Makasama kayong dalawa. Palagay ko masasabi niya ito. Sapagkat I was a victim. Therefore, gusto ko lang sabihin, Mr. Chair, na totoo. Totoo na dapat natin pag-usapan ito.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, are you done, Honorable Abante?
I'm not done yet, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Please proceed. So, what are you asking for a reply?
Yeah, okay. If you would like to reply, he's welcome to, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Lorraine.
Can my lawyer answer first? Pwede ba yun?
Is it okay if you
Mr. Chair, I don't think lawyers are allowed to make any statements in this committee.
but yes, that's very true. You know, they're supposed to be coaching only the witness.
But I'm the lawyer, Mr. Chair, of SMNI, not just a lawyer of Dr. Lorraine Badoy, Mr. Chair.
Well, Mr. Chair,
Yes,
what
but
is the
the question
relationship then, Mr. Chair?
Specifically addressed to Ms. Lorraine.
Okay,
So, Ms. Lorraine, please reply.
First of all, Mr. Chair, I promise to bring back to have the details retrieved by my staff so that I will know exactly what the Honorable Abante is what he's referring to. But I do know the congressman, and I remember that when I was still at the Anti-FLCAC, we went to his office and we gave him a briefer about the CPP, NPA, NDF infiltration in government, and if there were instances when we would criticize him, it was because of his support of the CPP, NPA, NDF party list. That is all, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure that I am supporting? Now, you're again telling us fake news. How sure are you, Mr. Chair, that I am supporting?
Mr. Chair,
How sure are you that I am supporting?
Mr. Chair, yung mga binibitawan ko sa show namin, sa program namin sa SMNI, nanggagaling po yon sa mga former cadres ng CPP, NPA, NDF. At sila yung nagpapaliwanag sa amin kung bakit ito tumagal ng ganito katagal. At hindi lang po yon dahil sa CPP, NPA, NDF, kung hindi dahil sa mga alliances, minsan conscious, minsan hindi witting, minsan unwitting, minsan willful siya.
Mr. Chair, when
Chair.
I was the minority leader, I was even red tagged by the NTF-LCAC, and she was at that time.
So ito na naman mga karibin natin, no? Parang nagbubulag-bulagan na naman po itong House of Representative mga karibin natin. Na, di ba, alam naman nila kung sino-sino yung mga sumusuporta dyan sa mga makakaliwa, di ba? Pero bakit ganito sila magtanong mga karibin natin, di ba? Parang bulag, pipi at bingi. Sila sa katotohanan, di ba? Mga karibin natin na ibinulugar na nga yan ng mga dating kadre kung sino-sino ang mga yan. Oh, pero parang ngayon, parang ano pa? Ha? Nako talaga. Ano pa to? Takipan na ba to?
Time, the undersecretary. I was red tagged. I do not just have the evidence right now, but I'm going to show you later on, or when we have the next meeting here. So, ang sinasabi ko lang dito, Mr. Chair, is this. Mukhang sanay ang mga anchors ng SMNI sa mga fake news. Pangit yun. That is, you know what you're doing? That is, you're doing it intentionally. You're doing it deliberately. And that is what I'd like to tell now in this committee. Now, the question that I would like to ask the MTCRB and the NTEC would be this. Now, of course, I heard that this morning that you say that there are some violations. So, what should be your recommendation to the to the SMNI then, Mr. Chair? To the MTSCB.
Yes, sir. We are conducting an investigation also, and we have asked.
So dito makaka-review natin yung parang opinion lang po ito, makaka-review natin about dito sinasabi ni Congressman Abante, makaka-review natin na ito daw, na mga sanay daw mag-fake news itong si Ka Eric at Doc Lorraine Badoy, makaka-review natin, no? Ang ano lang naman, ang opinion ko po dito, makaka-review natin, pag hindi ba pabor sa gobyerno yung sinasabi mo, no? Fake news agad, makaka-review. Which is napabor naman talaga sa gobyerno itong ginagawa ni Ka Eric at Doc Lorraine, makaka-review natin. Ano bang ano dito ni Congressman Abante, no? Makaka-review. Hindi ko maintindihan, makaka-review natin anong sinasabi niyang fake news? Marami nga tayong nalalaman, no? At ngayon lang natin nalalaman kay Ka Eric, no? Makaka-review natin. At kay Doc Lorraine Badoy. Yung mga ibinubulgar nila patungkol dyan sa mga makakaliwa. No? Pag ikaw ba talaga ibinubulgar mo yung kalaban ng bayan, sasabihin sa'yo, fake news ka pa. No? Yun yung masakit dun, makaka-review natin Diba? Kanya-kanya sa bagay, kanya-kanya naman tayo ng opinion. Wala po tayong magagawa dyan.
Them to appear before us, and it's scheduled for this Thursday, the hearing with the entity concerned, SMNI and their producers of the Bayan, the second Laban kasama ang Bayan. Yes.
So after the investigation, Mr. Chair, that you're going to give us the report of the investigation, this committee?
We can provide the committee with the whatever would be the findings, the resolution we have.
You do not have any recommendation yet, Mr. Chair.
Your Honor.
How about the NTC? I'd like to ask the NTC, Mr. Chair, about that.
He is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. As we have reported earlier, the NTC has a pending administrative case against the SMNI. It has already been heard, and the same is for decision already to be issued by the NTC, Your Honor.
Ang problema kasi, Mr. Chair, kapag mayroong ganyan mga fake news na yan, yung mga tao na naniniwala sa kanila, baka biglang gumawa yan ng gulo. O baka biglang gumawa sa akin ng anuman na ayaw ko. That's the reason why sana, maging careful kayo. Hindi naman kayo militar. Hindi naman kayo Philippine National Police. O, mga broadcaster din kayo. Dapat totoo ang sinasabi nyo dito. At dito rin sa committee ito, totoo dapat ang sinasabi ninyo. The fact that you accuse me of being a cadre of communist, there's an evidence about that, Mr. Chair. That is what I would like to say. And I am a witness because I am also a victim. If there's any congressman here who is with the majority, who is the victim of your fake news, it's Benny Abante, a good friend and not roommate of Attorney Suplico.
Mr. Chair, may I respond?
Thank you very much, Honorable Abante. Yes, Mr. Ring.
Yeah. How do I say this? Mr. Chair, unang-una sa lahat, humihingi ako ng paumanhin kay Congressman Abante. Hindi po ganun yung intent na manakit. Hindi po yon. Ang intent talaga dito, tapusin na yung CPP, NPA, NDF, napakatagal na. Ito na yung pinakamatagal na insurgency sa buong mundo. I want to respond also to Congressman Abante when he used the word red tagging because there is no such thing. That word was made up by the CPP, NPA, NDF, and it is a tool that they use to silence those of us who speak the truth about them. And in fact, our courts, all the way up to the Supreme Court, have already ruled very clearly that there is no danger to life, liberty, and security when you're identified as a member of the CPP, NPA. And if pwede po kong ibigay yung dokumento na yun po, Mr. Chair, yung mga rulings ng Court of Appeals, ng Regional Trial Court, kasi nga po sa unang sinabi ko, sa laban na ito, niyakap na namin ang mga banta, ang mga kaso para patahimikin kami. Pero hindi po namin intent ang
The Honorable Benny Abante has the floor.
Okay.
Ako nagpapasalamat siya nag-apologize dito. Pero ang gusto kong marinig dito, Mr. Chair, is this. What you did and what you are doing is offensive and deliberate and that you have endangered even my own life. You have. And you are hiding the cloak of the powers that be.
Mr. Chair, can I?
May I respond?
Yes. Attorney,
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Ring, may tanong po ko.
I am not
You state
angry.
Yes.
I am just dynamic and passionate and ecstatic in saying this.
Thank you very much, the Honorable Benny Abante. I noticed that, especially when you took, you made reference to Rolex, Tony Rolex being a roommate. I know how passionate you were of the Honorable Fernandez. But you know, I
And
have a
I am not a
question.
roommate,
Yes,
Mr.
you are,
Chair. I do
yeah.
not know the meaning of the word roommate, but
Okay,
he's a very good friend.
okay,
Ang mahirap, Mr. Chair,
Ano
may
ba?
relationship na binanggit si Juan, si Dan Fernandez.
correct. Yun ang medyo,
Yun ang question ko.
yeah, yun ang gusto ko malaman.
Sir, Chairman, may I reply?
Gusto nyo po mahinto yung
So yan mga karibin natin, may kasabihan nga po tayo na bato-bato sa langit, ang tamaan wag magagalit, no? Gaya nga po ni Castro, Manuel at Brosas, mga karibin natin, nasasaktan rin po itong si Kong Abante, mga karibin natin, no? Ha? Ibig sabihin, pag nasaktan ka, mga karibin natin, tinamaan ka, ha? Parang ganun po yung lumalabas, di ba, mga karibin natin? Pero, yan ay opinion lang po, mga karibyo, ha? Ano po ang inyong masasabi dito sa balitang ito? Mukhang pinagtutulungan na nila si Doc Lorraine Badoy, mga karibyo natin, no? Yan nga po siguro yung dahilan kung bakit nakulong po itong si pinakulong nila, no? Kinontempt nila. Hindi pa pala yan yung yung advertisement lang po yung tinatanong, no? Kaya Doc Lorraine Badoy, mga karibyo natin, kung maalala po natin, tinanong po si Doc Lorraine ng kung may advertisement daw, kung may advertiser yung kanilang programa or wala. Yan na po yung tanong. Tapos, yan na po yung naging dahilan kung bakit po siya sinight in contempt. Yan mga karibin natin, ha. Well, anyway, may kanya-kanya naman po tayong opinion about dito sa mga sinasabi ni Congressman Abante, mga karibin natin. Yan, ha. At i-comment lang po sa baba kung ano man po ang inyong reaksyon para at least alam po ng ating mga kababayan kung ano po ang inyong nararamdaman patungkol po rito, right? Right, mga karibin natin, kung bago ka pa lang at di pa po pag-subscribe sa ating munting channel, please don't forget to subscribe. At i-click na rin po ang bell notification para updated ka po sa lahat ng ina-uploads nating reaction video. At huwag din po kalimutan mag-subscribe kay Banat Kapanig TV. Yan mga karibin natin, nasa description po ang full video link ng balitang ito. Subscribe na po kayo, Banat Kapanig.